The NPP has reiterated that it is committed to see the MDA 2.0 coalition, which they have formed, complete the full term. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong told reports that the MDA which they have formed will complete the full term despite the NPP getting absolute majority with the joining of the three Congress MLAs. Tynsong, however, said that as the state president of the party, he is not aware about the cabinet reshuffling. He said that the best person to ask this question is from the Chief Minister, since it is his prerogative on the cabinet reshuffling.
Ke komitmen jong ke parti NPP kalau bayar ke MDA ke mengilat hal ngin perkut full kita kemauan dan di Prestone jong parti ngampi kata pula beli nau chief minister lu don le se kita dengan dia ke prerogatif pada jong chief minister ben ombat le se ban yanuban penerum minister le yanuban ai department EU le umnuban le se ban ombat tos ha pi ngin pensok thai ne kata bro kam de ka kam jong ni.
And now the weather report. Maximum